the happiness of all, for the benefit of all. Let noble thoughts come to us from your side. Thou hast made me endless, such is thy pleasure. Thou hast made me known to unknown. Thou hast given me seeds in the heart, not my own, O God of course. On the eve of this debut Bhaktan Award, I seize the opportunity to extend my heartfelt thanks who are here in this hall, in this remarkable historical achievement of the state. Although we are 20 years late, but let us late them. Myself, Captain Dr. Satyendra Kumar, and Associate Professor in Head Department of English, Pandit Lalitmohan Sharma, Sri Uttarakhand campus. Besides 50 articles published in several anthologies, I have had 100 publications in journals of national and international languages. I have had 100 presentations and participation in national and international conferences, workshops, and seminars at national level. I organized 5 national conference seminars where I was in Cherikal during my hold of just 10 years. The very first college of Uttarakhand having the name named after behind this great soul of the state. I also completed my UGC Maharashtra project entitled Study of Lexical Categories of Language and Sound Switching of Indian words. 31 PG dissertations, 3 MPhils and 4 PhDs have been had with me, and one scholar is doing PhD at present. I am editor, author of 4040 books, monographs, anthologies, reference books, and textbooks. I have been conferred on 5 national awards for this presentation. I am the only or first teacher in Uttarakhand higher education having assistant leader trainer in Rovers and Rangers. You might have heard about Kavan Bulbul, Bunny Tamtola, and Scout Scouts. They are in inter-college. But in degree college, we are dealing with Rovers and Rangers. I am the only one, neither before me nor after me in the coming 1 decade at least. So that is a great achievement, and panel thought about it. My areas of interest are Victorian poetry, Indian politics, Indian Sanskrit theories, and linguistics and phonetics. Before joining the first batch of Uttarakhand higher education that came into existence in 2005, I worked in Navadev Dalit Samiti for 7 years, 2 months and 14 days. And also NSS program was for 6 years. In a nutshell, I have equal mastery and inclination towards all the 3 wings, whether NCC, NSS, and Rovers. With this, thanks a lot. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.